Hi, I'm Tanya from McPhee's Wine Cellaring Specialists. McPhee's has been the exclusive distributor of EuroCave for over 20 years. EuroCave wine cabinets are designed and made in France, and whilst there's a very large range of wine cabinets, today we're going to focus and compare on 3 of their freestanding wine cabinet ranges: La Première, Pure and Revelation. Each of these ranges have the same cellaring technology to protect your wine collection. They have the same dimensions, the same energy efficiency, and depending on your shelving configuration, you pretty much fit the same similar number of bottles in there. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, whilst they are all freestanding wine cabinets and look beautiful in your home, they can also be built into custom joinery. So let's have a look at La Première. La Première is a value-for-money wine cabinet range. So if you're just starting as a wine collector, or you'd like to locate your wine cabinet in a garage or a spare room, La Première is ideal for that situation. It has a black frame on the door, and the doors, by the way, are all incredibly energy efficient. They're all double glazed and argon filled, which allows you to have that great energy efficiency. The control panel, as you notice here, has a white light. It displays the temperature, and if you just simply press this plus button here, it also shows you the humidity in the wine cabinet. The shelving is multi-purpose, so if you like, you can store your bottles facing that way for higher bottle capacity. You can also display some labels if you'd like to do that as well, and the standing presentation shelf allows you to stand your bottles upright. So that's La Première. Now let's talk about the Pure range. EuroCave's Pure range has the greatest range of options. What I mean by that is that you can have single temperature, dual temperature, multiple temperature, 3 temperature, and when we say single temperature, you can set your wine cabinet anywhere between 6 degrees and 20 degrees Celsius. Normally for cellaring, we like to recommend 12 to 14 degrees Celsius. With the Pure range, the first thing you'll notice, it has a beautiful full glass door, so there's no frame around the full glass door with the Pure range. The control panel displays beautiful amber lighting, which bathes your wine in a lovely glow. The shelves are all roller mounted, and each shelf has these Mundel sommelier supports. I'll just pull one out to show you, with a rubber rim that cradles the bottle, each and every bottle, and protects it from vibration. The other beautiful feature about these Mundel sommelier supports is that your bottle can slide depending on the bottle sizes. So if you have thicker bottles or thinner bottles, they're all secure in your wine cabinet to hold your collection beautifully. So that's the Pure range. Now let's have a look at the EuroCave Revelation range, which offers the most luxurious features. Revelation also has a full glass door. The Revelation range has beautiful amber lighting that, as you can see there, bathes your wine in that nice glow. The shelving is something that's quite unique with Revelation. You have your choice of black gloss or light oak shelf fascias, and every shelf comes with 6 of these powder coated labels, so you can label, if you wish, all of your bottles there. The shelves are soft close, so if I give that a good push, as you can see there, it closes very, very gently. Again, as with the Pure range, Revelation has these Mundel sommelier supports, so every bottle is secure and protected from vibration. And there's lots of different options as far as configuring the inserts in each shelf. So you can display your bottles, one in the centre facing forward, or 2 on the side that way, all sort of standard configuration. And if you'd also like, this special shelf here is a presentation sliding shelf. Of course, you put your best bottles there, and then you can store some bottles behind there as well. So Revelation is quite special. So that's a comparison between EuroCave's La Première, Pure and Revelation wine cabinets. So if you'd like to learn more about this range or any of our EuroCave wine cabinets, please give us a call. We'd love to help.